I help business owners grow their business through a proven step-by-step marketing system. My ideal client is a business owner that knows they need a marketing plan to help them gain clarity and to get results. My approach is tailored to each business owner, their business goals, and whether they are a D2C, B2B, or B2C. I can work with startups or established businesses. My 20 years of experience come from being a VP of marketing for a computer OEM and being a business owner of two brick-and-mortar businesses, one being in retail, that is B2C, and the other being as a B2B, as a managed service provider. The results depend on your budget, execution, and the business owner. I can help with developing a marketing plan. If you need help with implementation and execution of your marketing plan, I can help with that as well.